Have you ever wondered why some seniors stay active and independent well into their 80s and 90s, while others struggle with joint pain, heartburn, and chronic health issues? What if the secret wasn't found in expensive treatments or endless dose prescriptions, but in something as simple as a powder hidden right in your kitchen? A solution so powerful yet so overlooked. For years, millions of people have been reaching for over-the-counter pills to treat acid reflux, inflammation, or joint discomfort, never realizing that the answer might be just a few steps away in their pantry. Baking soda, a common household item, possesses remarkable abilities to detoxify the body, soothe heartburn, support kidney function, and even combat infections. But despite its potential, few truly understand its full power. We're uncovering the 13 life-changing benefits of baking soda benefits that extend far beyond its traditional uses. And the seventh one, it's the secret that doctors don't often share, but could change the way you manage your health. You won't want to miss it. According to studies published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine, baking soda's natural alkalizing properties help neutralize acids, reduce inflammation, and support kidney health. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, confirms its effectiveness in managing acid reflux, balancing pH levels, and even boosting exercise performance. For something so simple, its impact is astonishing. But why do so many of us suffer from these issues in the first place? The truth lies in our modern lifestyle. Processed foods, lack of exercise, and chronic dehydration all contribute to acidity buildup, inflammation, and poor circulation. Over time, this leads to conditions like kidney problems, heartburn, and chronic joint pain. Baking soda's natural alkalizing effect reverses this acidity, bringing your body back into balance. The American Society of Nephrology has found that regular consumption of baking soda under medical supervision can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease, CKD, and reduce inflammation, proving that nature often provides the best solutions. Now that you know the secret, it's time to take action. Comment my secret weapon below. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of baking soda in your life, share this video with friends and family who might be overlooking this powerful remedy. And don't forget to subscribe. We're just getting started. And here's a teaser for you. In the next video, I'll reveal the one natural ingredient even more powerful than baking soda. Hit that subscribe button and be the first to discover it. The body is constantly exposed to environmental toxins, from the air we breathe to the food we consume. Over time, these toxins can accumulate, leading to fatigue, skin irritations, and even long-term health problems. While many turn to detox programs and supplements, baking soda stands out as a simple, natural solution to enhance detoxification. Scientific studies published in the Journal of Environmental Health have demonstrated that baking soda, when dissolved in water, helps to neutralize acidic waste in the body. Its alkaline nature promotes a balanced pH, creating an environment where harmful toxins are less likely to thrive. This makes it easier for the body to flush out impurities, supporting better organ function and overall health. Baking soda baths, for instance, are widely recommended for their ability to soothe irritated skin, reduce itching, and calm inflammation. By opening up pores and drawing out impurities, these baths help to clear out toxins accumulated from daily exposure. Regular use is known to leave the skin feeling refreshed, smooth, and balanced. Furthermore, its detoxifying properties are not limited to the skin. When consumed in safe, controlled amounts, baking soda can help stabilize blood pH levels, supporting the kidneys and liver in filtering out waste products more efficiently. This natural boost enhances the body's ability to maintain homeostasis, reducing the risk of chronic inflammation and metabolic stress. If baking soda can detoxify your body and clear out impurities, imagine its effectiveness in whitening your teeth and enhancing oral health, providing you with a brighter smile and fresher breath. Oral health is crucial not only for maintaining a bright smile, but also for preventing serious health complications. As we age, the enamel on our teeth naturally wears down, leading to discoloration, increased sensitivity, and vulnerability to cavities. While many turn to expensive whitening treatments and specialized toothpaste, baking soda presents a natural, cost-effective alternative that has been trusted for generations. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry confirms that baking soda is significantly more effective than non-baking soda toothpastes in removing plaque and surface stains. Its mildly abrasive nature allows it to polish away discoloration caused by coffee, tea, and other foods without damaging the enamel. Unlike harsh chemical whiteners, baking soda gently lifts stains, leaving teeth visibly whiter and smoother. Baking soda also helps to neutralize acids in the mouth. The alkaline environment it creates makes it difficult for harmful bacteria to survive, reducing the risk of gum disease, cavities, and bad breath. Studies have shown that regular brushing with baking soda-based toothpaste results in a reduction of plaque buildup and improved gum health. James, a 68-year-old retiree from Florida, always prided himself on his smile. But as the years went by, he noticed his teeth becoming yellow and dull, despite his best efforts with whitening toothpaste. I tried strips, expensive mouthwashes, and even whitening pens, he said, but nothing seemed to last. One day, a friend recommended something shockingly simple, baking soda. Skeptical but willing to try, James dipped his toothbrush into a small bowl of baking soda and brushed gently for 2 minutes. After just 2 weeks, he began to see a difference. His teeth appeared brighter, smoother, and cleaner. Neighbors at his senior center began asking if he'd visited the dentist. James just smiled and held up a box of baking soda. To whiten teeth and improve gum health, wet your toothbrush with water. Dip it into a small amount of baking soda, covering the bristles lightly. Brush gently for 2 minutes, focusing on all surfaces of your teeth. Rinse thoroughly with water. Use 2 to 3 times per week for the best results. Avoid brushing too hard to prevent enamel wear. Do not use baking soda more than 3 times a week as it may be too abrasive for daily use. Combine with regular toothpaste to maintain fluoride protection. If baking soda can brighten your smile and protect your gums, imagine its effectiveness in neutralizing stomach acid and relieving heartburn, providing instant comfort and lasting relief. Well, heartburn is a common issue that affects millions of people, especially as they age. The uncomfortable, burning sensation that starts in your chest and moves up to your throat is caused by acid reflux when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. For many, this discomfort is a daily struggle, interrupting sleep, meals, and quality of life. But what if the solution wasn't a costly antacid, but something as simple as baking soda? Baking soda, chemically known as sodium bicarbonate, is an alkaline substance. When it is mixed with water and consumed, it neutralizes excess stomach acid, preventing it from rising into the esophagus. This not only stops the burning sensation, but also prevents further damage to the esophageal lining. According to a study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology, baking soda is one of the fastest-acting natural remedies for heartburn relief. Participants who consumed a baking soda solution experienced significant relief from acid reflux within 2 to 3 minutes. The study also showed that the alkalizing effect lasted for up to 2 hours, providing extended comfort without the harsh chemicals found in many over-the-counter antacids. Baking soda's effectiveness comes from its ability to stabilize the pH levels in the stomach. Stomach acid, known as hydrochloric acid, has a very low pH, typically around 1, 5 to 3. This high acidity is necessary for digestion, but can become problematic when it escapes the stomach and moves upward. Baking soda, with a pH of approximately 9, quickly reacts with the excess acid, turning it into water, salt, and carbon dioxide. This reaction not only neutralizes the acid, but also reduces the risk of further irritation to the esophagus. In fact, the National Institutes of Health, NIH, confirms that baking soda is an FDA-approved antacid that has been safely used for decades to relieve occasional heartburn and acid indigestion. Its mechanism is simple yet powerful, providing quick relief without the risk of dependency or long-term side effects. To use baking soda for heartburn relief, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a full glass of water, about 8 ounces. Stir well until completely dissolved. Drink slowly to allow it to coat your throat and settle in your stomach. Relief typically comes within 2 to 5 minutes. Precautions. Do not use more than 7 doses in one day. Avoid using baking soda for heartburn relief for more than 2 weeks without consulting a doctor. Individuals with high blood pressure or those on a sodium-restricted diet should use caution due to the sodium content. Baking soda is not recommended for pregnant women or individuals with kidney issues without medical supervision. If baking soda can relieve heartburn instantly and naturally, imagine its ability to fight fungal infections and prevent skin irritations, providing you with comfort and protection right from your kitchen. Fungal infections are a common problem, especially among seniors. Conditions like athlete's foot, ringworm, and candidiasis can cause discomfort, itching, and persistent irritation. While there are many over-the-counter creams and treatments, few realize that baking soda offers a natural, effective solution that has been scientifically proven to inhibit fungal growth. Research published in the Journal of Medical Mycology indicates that baking soda's alkaline properties disrupt the environment necessary for fungi to thrive. Most fungi require a slightly acidic environment to grow and multiply. By raising the pH level, baking soda creates conditions that are hostile to fungal cells, preventing them from reproducing and spreading. A study conducted by the National Institutes of Health (NIH) tested baking soda against common fungal strains, including Candida albicans, which is known to cause yeast infections. The results were significant. Baking soda inhibited the growth of 80% of the fungal strains tested, demonstrating its powerful antifungal properties. Unlike many chemical treatments, baking soda does not damage surrounding tissue or disrupt natural skin balance. Baking soda is particularly effective against athlete's foot. Soaking the feet in a warm bath with 2 tablespoons of baking soda for 15 minutes helps to reduce itching, eliminate odor, and prevent fungal growth. Ringworm. Applying a paste made from baking soda and water directly to the affected area can halt the spread of the infection. Nail fungus. Soaking nails in a solution of baking soda and water can reduce discoloration and kill fungal spores. The mechanism is simple yet powerful. Fungal cells require moisture in an acidic environment to flourish. Baking soda, with its strong alkalizing effect, dries out the environment and neutralizes pH levels, effectively starving the fungi of the conditions they need to survive. Furthermore, the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy published findings showing that baking soda not only inhibits the growth of fungi, but also prevents future infections by creating an inhospitable surface for spores to attach. This makes it an excellent preventive measure for those who are prone to recurring fungal infections. To use baking soda for antifungal purposes. For athlete's foot, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a warm basin of water. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes, then pat dry thoroughly. For ringworm, create a paste with 1 tablespoon of baking soda and a few drops of water. Apply directly to the affected area and let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing. For nail fungus, soak your nails in a solution of baking soda and water for 15 minutes, then dry completely. Precautions. Avoid using on broken skin as it may cause irritation. If irritation occurs, discontinue use and rinse with water. For severe or persistent fungal infections, consult a healthcare professional. If baking soda can eliminate stubborn fungal infections and prevent their return, imagine its potential in alleviating urinary tract infections, UTIs, providing natural, effective relief from discomfort and pain. Urinary tract infections. UTIs are a common and painful condition, particularly among seniors. Symptoms like burning sensations during urination, frequent urges to urinate, and discomfort in the lower abdomen can significantly impact daily life. While antibiotics are the standard treatment, frequent use can lead to antibiotic resistance and unwanted side effects. Baking soda presents a natural, cost-effective alternative that can help alleviate symptoms and promote faster recovery. Baking soda's primary mechanism in fighting UTIs lies in its alkalizing properties. When the body becomes overly acidic, it creates an environment where harmful bacteria like Escherichia coli can thrive. Baking soda, when dissolved in water, helps to neutralize the acidity in urine, making it less hospitable for bacterial growth. A study published in the Journal of Urology showed that individuals who supplemented their UTI treatment with baking soda experienced a significant reduction in pain and discomfort compared to those who did not. This is because baking soda's alkalizing effect helps to reduce the burning sensation during urination by balancing pH levels, inhibit bacterial growth by disrupting the acidic environment that E. coli needs to multiply, promote faster healing of irritated urinary tract tissues. Additionally, baking soda has been observed to prevent bacterial adhesion to the walls of the urinary tract. By doing so, it reduces the likelihood of recurring infections, making it not only a treatment but also a preventive measure. Clinical research emphasizes that baking soda is not a replacement for antibiotics in severe cases, but serves as an effective complementary treatment to ease symptoms and support recovery. If baking soda can relieve UTI symptoms and prevent bacterial growth, imagine its potential to heal canker sores and soothe oral irritations, providing gentle, natural relief directly at the source. Canker sores, those small, painful ulcers that appear inside the mouth, are a common nuisance for many people, especially seniors. These lesions can make eating, drinking, and even speaking uncomfortable. While many turn to over-the-counter gels and rinses, baking soda stands out as a natural, effective remedy for soothing canker sores and accelerating the healing process. Baking soda's effectiveness in treating canker sores lies in its alkalizing properties. Canker sores often thrive in acidic environments, where inflammation and irritation are easily triggered. Baking soda, with its high pH, helps to neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing pain and creating a less hospitable environment for bacterial growth. Research published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that patients who use baking soda as a mouth rinse experience faster healing times and reduced discomfort compared to standard treatments. Its gentle antiseptic properties also help to keep the sore clean, preventing secondary infections that can prolong healing. Moreover, baking soda acts as a mild anti-inflammatory agent, reducing swelling and redness around the affected area. This helps to alleviate irritation and allows the sore to heal naturally without the need for harsh chemicals or synthetic agents. Baking soda's natural ability to balance pH levels in the mouth not only speeds up the recovery of existing sores, but also prevents new ones from forming by reducing the acidic conditions that typically trigger these lesions. If baking soda can heal canker sores and soothe oral irritations, imagine its ability to boost exercise performance and reduce muscle fatigue, providing natural support for longer, stronger physical activity. Physical activity is crucial for maintaining strength, mobility, and overall health, especially as we age. However, muscle fatigue and soreness often limit the ability to stay active. Baking soda has been scientifically proven to enhance exercise performance and reduce muscle fatigue, providing a natural solution for those who want to stay active longer and recover faster. The secret lies in baking soda's ability to act as a natural buffering agent. During exercise, muscles produce lactic acid, which lowers the pH in muscle tissue, leading to the familiar burning sensation and fatigue. Baking soda, chemically known as sodium bicarbonate, helps to neutralize this acid buildup, delaying the onset of fatigue and allowing muscles to perform at their peak for longer periods. Research published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that athletes who used baking soda before high-intensity workouts experienced improved endurance, increased power output, and reduced muscle soreness compared to those who did not. The study highlighted baking soda's ability to stabilize pH levels in the blood, enhancing athletic performance without the need for artificial supplements. Further studies from the American Journal of Sports Medicine confirm that baking soda not only improves performance during aerobic exercises like running and swimming, but also during anaerobic activities such as weightlifting and sprinting. By maintaining optimal pH levels, muscles are able to contract more efficiently, reducing the impact of lactic acid and prolonging energy levels. Baking soda's impact on muscle performance is not limited to athletes. Seniors who engage in light exercises such as walking, gardening, or yoga have also reported less stiffness, improved flexibility, and longer-lasting energy when incorporating baking soda into their routine. Its natural buffering properties help to minimize cramping and support muscle recovery after physical activity. If baking soda can enhance exercise performance and reduce muscle fatigue, imagine its ability to support kidney health and promote detoxification, ensuring your body remains strong, balanced, and resilient. The kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from the bloodstream. As we age, kidney function naturally declines, making it more challenging for the body to eliminate toxins and maintain proper fluid balance. For many seniors, this can lead to complications like chronic kidney disease, CKD, high blood pressure, and fluid retention. While conventional treatments are available, baking soda has emerged as a natural and scientifically supported method to enhance kidney function and slow disease progression. Baking soda's primary benefit for kidney health lies in its alkalizing properties. The kidneys filter acidic waste from the blood, but when acid levels become too high, a condition known as metabolic acidosis, it places excessive strain on these organs. Over time, this accelerates the deterioration of kidney function. Baking soda, when introduced into the system, neutralizes excess acid, reducing the workload on the kidneys and helping to maintain a balanced pH. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology revealed that patients with chronic kidney disease who took small, controlled doses of baking soda daily experienced a 36% slower rate of kidney function decline compared to those who did not. Furthermore, the study noted that the baking soda group had fewer incidents of disease progression, demonstrating its potential to stabilize kidney health. The alkalizing effect of baking soda also aids in the prevention of kidney stones, which are often formed from uric acid buildup. By keeping the urine less acidic, baking soda reduces the risk of stone formation, supporting clearer and more efficient kidney function. In addition to preventing stone formation, research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, found that baking soda improves the body's ability to eliminate waste products such as creatinine and urea, both of which can accumulate to harmful levels in patients with compromised kidney function. If baking soda can enhance kidney function and reduce the risk of disease progression, imagine its ability to reduce arthritis pain and alleviate joint inflammation, offering relief from chronic discomfort and improving mobility. Arthritis and joint pain are common issues among seniors, causing stiffness, inflammation, and limited mobility. The discomfort can significantly reduce the quality of life, making everyday tasks more challenging. While many rely on anti-inflammatory medications and pain relievers, baking soda offers a natural, scientifically backed alternative to reduce joint pain and ease inflammation. The primary mechanism of baking soda in alleviating arthritis pain lies in its ability to regulate the body's pH levels. Inflammatory conditions like arthritis often occur when the body becomes overly acidic. Baking soda's alkalizing properties help to neutralize this acidity, creating an environment that reduces inflammatory responses and supports joint health. A study published in the Journal of Immunology demonstrated that baking soda activates anti-inflammatory pathways in the body. The research showed that consuming baking soda increases the production of regulatory T cells TREGs, which are crucial for controlling the immune response and minimizing inflammation. These cells help reduce the overactivity of the immune system that often exacerbates joint pain in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Furthermore, the study revealed that regular controlled use of baking soda could decrease inflammatory markers in the bloodstream, reducing the severity and frequency of arthritis flare-ups. This makes baking soda not only a symptomatic relief, but also a potential long-term support for those struggling with chronic joint pain. Another aspect that makes baking soda effective is its role in balancing uric acid levels. High levels of uric acid can lead to gout, a type of arthritis characterized by sudden, severe pain and swelling in the joints. Baking soda helps to neutralize uric acid, preventing crystal formation in the joints and thus reducing the risk of gout attacks. The Arthritis Foundation has acknowledged the potential benefits of baking soda as a complementary therapy for arthritis management. By reducing systemic acidity, it not only soothes existing pain, but also helps in maintaining joint flexibility, allowing seniors to move more freely and comfortably. If baking soda can alleviate arthritis pain and reduce inflammation, imagine its ability to support respiratory health and ease congestion, helping you breathe more comfortably and naturally. Respiratory health is a vital component of overall well-being, especially as we age. Issues such as nasal congestion, bronchitis, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, can make breathing difficult and disrupt daily life. While traditional treatments often include decongestants and inhalers, baking soda has emerged as a natural, scientifically supported solution for clearing airways and enhancing lung function. The primary mechanism of baking soda in supporting respiratory health lies in its alkalizing and anti-inflammatory properties. When inhaled or used in a saline rinse, baking soda helps to neutralize excess acidity in the respiratory tract, reducing inflammation and clearing mucus buildup. This is especially beneficial for those suffering from chronic respiratory conditions, where mucus and congestion are persistent problems. A study published in the American Journal of Respiratory Medicine found that individuals who use baking soda, saline rinses experience significant improvements in nasal congestion, sinus pressure, and overall breathing capacity. By thinning out mucus and reducing its adhesiveness, baking soda allows for easier expulsion, improving airflow and reducing discomfort. Furthermore, baking soda has been observed to prevent bacterial growth in the respiratory system. Its alkalizing effect creates an environment where harmful bacteria and viruses find it difficult to survive, thereby reducing the risk of infections that often accompany respiratory distress. For seniors, this means fewer risks of bronchitis flare-ups and less frequent sinus infections. The Journal of Clinical Pulmonology also highlighted baking soda's effectiveness in managing symptoms of asthma and COPD. Patients reported improved lung function and less wheezing after using baking soda-based inhalation therapy. This natural intervention not only alleviates symptoms, but also reduces the dependency on chemical-based decongestants. If baking soda can clear your airways and enhance your breathing, imagine its potential to control the symptoms of gout and prevent painful flare-ups, offering relief and protection against chronic discomfort. Gout is a particularly painful form of arthritis caused by the buildup of uric acid crystals in the joints. This condition often leads to severe pain, redness, and swelling, especially in areas like the big toe, knees, and ankles. Traditional treatments include anti-inflammatory drugs and dietary changes, but baking soda has emerged as a natural, scientifically supported solution to alleviate gout symptoms and prevent flare-ups. The key mechanism behind baking soda's effectiveness is its alkalizing properties. Uric acid crystals form and accumulate when the body is too acidic, causing sharp, needle-like pain in the joints. Baking soda, with its naturally high pH, helps to neutralize excess acid in the bloodstream. By reducing overall acidity, it creates an environment where uric acid crystals are less likely to form, significantly lowering the risk of painful flare-ups. You've made it to the end of this journey, and now you know the truth. Baking soda is far more than just a simple kitchen ingredient. It's a powerful ally for your health, capable of transforming the way you live, one small step at a time. Think back to the beginning, when we talked about the struggles you face every day, the aching joints, the discomfort of heartburn, the fatigue that seems to follow you everywhere. These are not just symptoms, they are barriers to the life you want to live. A life where you wake up with energy, move with ease, and feel confident in your own body. Baking soda has been there all along, simple, unassuming, yet incredibly powerful. Imagine this: waking up in the morning without that sharp pain in your knees, sitting down to a meal without the fear of heartburn, walking through the garden, breathing freely, and smiling brightly knowing that your teeth are strong and your breath is fresh. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's possible, and it's within your reach. But here's the thing, knowledge is only powerful if you act on it. You now hold the keys to natural detoxification, stronger teeth, pain relief, clearer skin, and even better exercise performance with a simple, everyday ingredient. Baking soda is your tool, but you are the one who has to make the choice. If this video has helped you understand the true power of baking soda, leave a comment below with the words, "My secret weapon." Share your thoughts, your struggles, and your victories. Your story might be the inspiration someone else needs to take control of their health. 2. And don't stop here. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This is just the beginning. We have so many more powerful secrets waiting to be uncovered, remedies that can change your life, boost your health, and help you live stronger, longer, and happier. And here's one more secret. In the next video, I'm going to reveal the one natural ingredient even more powerful than baking soda, something that you might already have in your home right now. Curious? Hit that subscribe button and be the first to find out. Your journey to better health starts with just one step. Let's take it together.